What is up? My name is Des, and today I have a cleaning video and I'm going to be cleaning my room, so join along. Somehow my daughter's toys keep ending up in my room, so I'm just having her help me because it's all her stuff anyway, so might as well. I'm just going to be organizing my workout equipment, like my jump rope and weights and stuff like that, into two separate bins, weights in one bin, and my resistance bands and jump rope and this thigh thing, I don't know what you should call it, but that in another bin. I'm wiping down the TV and the nightstands with antibacterial hand wipes. I'm not sure how that is for a TV, but my kids touch it too much, so I have to clean it. laundry was starting to pile up, so I'm gonna wash a load of laundry. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up and be on the lookout for my weigh-in number 6. I'll see you next time. Bye!